it's time to have a little look around at my streaming space. So here's the quick story that goes with it from last weekend. I was just about to live stream with you guys. I had some compatibility problems. My GPU was ranging at 100%, so I had to buy a new computer. So I'm going to show off. I'm going to start with this. This is my action cam. Just picking this up here. I'm just going to show this off. Oh, I got my finger in front of the lens. So this is my crappy monitor. You can see I've got it on a plate stand down there. There's the camera on top of it that does the front-on view. Up to the left, I have the other selfie camera. Yo, what's up? I don't know if I had a problem with this one not syncing my voice correctly last time. I don't know if that's still a problem or if it's working correctly. You guys can tell me. So that was that camera up there. Over the other side, you can see I have my microphone. And my microphone connects down underneath here to the Scarlett 2i2 box. That's that, and you can see my voice. Of course, over here is my old computer that I've disconnected, but this one on the left is the new. It's a PowerSpec pre-build. It was the only one I could find that had the NVIDIA 1080 Ti already installed in it, so I went with that. You can see underneath here, this is my power outlet. That's where all the power for the thing happens. And of course, there are my kick pedals that let you see the different views. Up the other side, there's all my stuff. I'm going to go back a bit here. As I go back, you can see on the right, with that computer underneath it, there is there's the streaming station. You can see up what it looks like. Up the shelves, and then into the overhead camera. There's the overhead camera there. It's actually on rails, so I'll be able to move that around in the future. And of course, Action Cam is also it's also on rails too, so I can do those nice slow motion panning shots. That'll be pretty cool. Over here on the left, you can see this is just my spare tree. This has all of my arms and everything that I'm going to be using to make more complex camera setups. And then as we go further left, you can see my two boxes. One is Pete's boards, that's on top, and then the one underneath is Pete's keycaps. But we're still unpacking my studio space. Lots of other stuff. Hey, here's another review that's coming up very soon. The Archeer headphones right there. Gonna do those very soon. And of course, I've got other bits and pieces to check out. My stickers on my drawers. That one's from Hungerworks Studios. Thanks, Binge. Love that sticker. Some other cool stickers around the side here. One from OLKB. Love them. MechanicalKeyboards.com. Glorious PC Gamer, buddy. Of course, One Up Keyboards has a big, huge, awesome sticker down there. My giant YouTube sticker. Cool, putting this back in. Now, of course, this whole stream has been happening in 4K. It's been happening in 4K because I'm using 4K cameras. Nothing more to it than that. And of course, don't forget, I'll be back soon enough with this over here, which is Solder Cam. This is already ready to go. Made some upgrades to how the cabling is going, but there's that piece that holds it in place. I need to figure out a slightly better camera setup for directly in front of my face, and I need to upgrade this monitor. But you know, seems like it's kind of working okay. Thanks again for tuning in today, guys. I appreciate you all stopping by. I promise lots more stuff to come. But guys, if I can ask you all a quick favor, can you guys go into the About section below or the video description section and find the link to the chat room? It's the Discord chat, and you guys can go join in there, and I'll see you guys in there. Thanks again to everybody for tuning in. We'll see you all back again very soon indeed.